everybody, welcome back to your 10-minute equipment-free booty burner. I'm Gabby and welcome to TaylorToned. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead and do that right now. All of my workouts are equipment-free and super easy to follow along. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far along you are into the workout, and also I'll pop the name just down below. Enjoy the workout, let's get straight into it. Coming into your first exercise, you're going to bring yourself all the way down to the floor. Now bring both the hands around the hips. The feet, they come underneath your knees, hips are on the floor. Now push the palms down to the floor. You're going to tuck the pelvis under. Now lift the hips up and away from the floor, and you're going to hold right there. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath, exhale away. Now squeeze your glutes together as tight as you possibly can. You're going to send your weight into your left leg. So the left leg is on the floor, the right foot comes to the ceiling, you're going to flex your foot. Now keep the hips lifted, push the palms into the floor. This top leg is then going to take a little tiny bend press, bend press, bend press. I want you to bend at the knee and press the heel up to the ceiling. Bend press, bend press. Now slowly start to walk the foot down so your legs come in line with each other, and then slowly start to walk it all the way back up again. Bend press, bend press. So you're stamping the heel to the ceiling and then stamp it all the way back down. You're going to bring that leg in line with this opposite leg. And the whole time your glutes are lifted away from the floor, and you want to keep pushing your glutes together, your butt cheeks together as tight as you can. One more, walking up towards the ceiling, you've got it. Walking back down again, bend press, walking all the way back up now, and now you're gonna hold. Try to get your heel pushing right up towards the ceiling. Now push the palms into the floor. You're gonna try and touch your heel on the ceiling by lifting your hips and squeezing your glutes together as tight as you possibly can. You've got this. Lift those hips, lift. Try and get your heel on the ceiling. The hips are pulsing up. You've got it. Let's get a nice round, perky bum. Up and up, up and up. You've got 10, 9. We're gonna hold here in 7. You've got it. 6, 5, 4, stillness in 3, 2, hold. Now squeeze your glutes together, lift those hips 1 inch higher. Try to get the back of your foot on the ceiling, sole of your foot on the ceiling, and give me 10 seconds here. 9, 8, you've got it. 7, 6, 5, it burns. 4, squeeze them together. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower down. This right foot is going to come all the way down to the floor. Now straight away roll onto your side. So you want to bend the underneath leg and lift the left leg now off the floor. So the left leg is lifted. So the leg that was just supporting on the floor is now lifted. And the toe is going to tap, then up. Go down, go lift it up. Tap, you've got it, lift. Down, then up. So the hips, they're both pointing forwards. This is working on the side of your butt here, down the side of your leg. Go tap, go up, just go tap. Lift it, floating it nice and high. You've got 6 more here. 5 more. 4 more. 3 of them are going to hold. 2 of them are going to hold. Last one now. Keep the leg lifted. You're floating the side of your leg up towards the ceiling. Breathe in. I know it's burning. Breathe out. Exhale away. Now this toe, you're going to imagine you're gliding it along the top of a table. Bring the foot forwards and then squeeze it all the way back. I know it gets right in towards the side of your butt. Squeeze it all the way forwards. Glide it along top of a table. Push it all the way backwards. The whole time your hips are still square towards the front, pressing into this forearm, driving the waist away from the floor. We so have this. Let's do it. Push forwards and squeezing it back. Now don't let that leg start to dip down towards the floor as you start to get fatigued. You want to get to that point where you are burning, where you really hate me, because that is where all the change happens. That is where you're going to burn those calories, you're going to melt the fat, you're going to change the shape of your butt. Give me 2 more of these here. Push forwards, squeezing it back. Give me 1 more of these. We have this. Squeezing forwards. Now push back and hold. Stay right there. Now don't let this toe dip down. Mine's starting to head to the floor. Push it up to the ceiling. Now lift it up. Give me 10 lifts. 9, 8. You've got it. Higher it goes, the more it's going to burn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Straight away, you're going to roll back down onto your back. Now send the soles of the feet together. Open the knees to the side. The soles are pushing together. press the palms down. Now you're gonna lift the hips, lower the hips, lift up, lower down, lift up, lower down. So you're going up for one, down for one, up for one, down for one. And you want to squeeze the glutes together. This is the middle of your butt workout today. We so have this. We go up and down. Keep going. Squeeze the glutes together. Lift the hips. Soles of the feet together. And the knees are open. This is great at targeting the side of your butt, also the back of your butt. You can do it up and down. And we're going to take a little bit faster. We go up, down. You've got to stick with me. I hope you're burning as much as I am. We are going to change the shape of our butt today. It's going to go round. It's going to go perky. We just need to give it everything. 10 more. 9, 8. You're going to hold in 7, in 6. Isometric hold here. In 4, in 3, 2. Hold, hold, hold. Soles of the feet together. Knees are open. Inhale. Exhale. Push those hips higher. Now squeeze the glutes together for absolute delight right now. And give me another 8 more seconds. 7, 6. You have it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Quickly rock back, rock forward. Other side. So now you're going to lower yourself down towards the floor. The right leg stays on the floor. And then lift the hips up and bring your left leg up to the ceiling. So you're going to bridge here. Left leg is high this time. So now you're working that right butt. And you're going to start to bend press through the left leg. Bend press, bend press. A little tiny bend through the knee. A massive press of your heel to the ceiling. Then reach, extend the leg. Now don't forget, squeeze your glutes together. The glutes should be the same height. Your butt should be the same height, both sides off the floor. Now start to walk the leg down again. You're walking down the wall. You get halfway and you change your mind. You're going to walk back up again. It's less painful up here. Bend press, go halfway. Change your mind. Back towards the ceiling. Keep going. Give me 2 more of those. Get those hips off the floor. I want your hips lifted right now. 1 more. Then press away. Then press. Then back to the ceiling. And hold. Heel to the ceiling. Inhale in. Exhale. Lift those hips higher. Squeeze your glutes together. Now a little press of your heel up and up. Make sure that right glute is burning, it's shaking, it's trembling. I'm right there with you. We so have this. Lift those hips up. Just give me 7, 6, hold in 5, in 4, you're gonna hold in 3, 2, now 1, hold there. Dig this underneath heel into the floor, squeeze your glutes together, get them 1 more inch further away from the floor. How badly do you want that round butt? Give me another 8 more seconds here, squeeze it. 7, 6, 5, you have it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Oh, you're gonna roll now straight onto your side. So the right leg was the working leg. The right leg is still the working leg. Left forearm down, left knee bends, and you're gonna lift this right leg up and away from the floor. Extend the toe as long as you possibly can. And you're gonna slowly tap down, all the way up again. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bringing it down, back up to the ceiling. You want to make sure the top of your foot is facing forwards in front of yourself. So the hips are both square forwards, side of the leg is up to the ceiling. So you want to feel it here, all down the side of your leg, all the way in towards that gluteus medius, which is the muscle in the side of your butt. Keep going, squeezing all the way up, all the way back down. Just give me another 2 more of these, lifting up, lower back down to make it harder. Don't let that toe touch the floor. Up and down. Now hold there. Keep the leg nice and high. Squeeze the toe forwards, running that across the top of the table, and you should feel that burn. The further you bring the foot round, the more it's going to burn. Inhale. Keep breathing. Do not hold the breath. Your body needs that oxygen to function. It needs oxygen to make the change that you want. Push all the way back. We so have this. You are so nearly done. Push all the way backwards. Keep going. We've got 3 more. We can get through 3 more. Push forwards. Squeeze in back. You've got another 2 more here. Push forwards. Squeeze it all the way back. We've got 1 more to go. I know we've got it. Squeeze all the way forwards. Push all the way back. Now you're going to keep the leg out to the side. Inhale in. Exhale, you know what's coming on the exhale, lift that leg a little tiny bit higher up to the ceiling. Now double check, is your foot pointing forward? Is the knee joint straight? Is the leg long? Are the hips forward? Now you're gonna lift here to finish. Oh my gosh, we lift, go up. Let's all visualize our brand new bodies now. We go up, just give me 10, 9, 8 more, 7, then it's over, 6, stick with me, go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. You're gonna need a stretch right now. So I want everyone to lay down onto the floor. Don't know why I've just brought myself back up, but bring your foot over the top of your opposite knee and now press this knee backwards. If this is enough for you, stay here. If you want it deeper, just hug the leg in and breathe. Other side, left foot over the top. The right knee comes in, breathe, pushes left leg back, should feel a stretch in the outside of your glutes here. And then hug the knees into the chest, rock yourself back and rock yourself all the way up forward. Well done in your 10-minute booty burner today. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, if you want to go and team this with something else, maybe you want an ab workout, maybe you want more butt, maybe you want arms, cardio, head back to my YouTube homepage and you can find plenty more on there. See you again next time. Hit subscribe. Bye.